Welcome to our house. Just kidding, it's a rental. Hi, I'm Chloe.
I'm Schae, and this is Mackenzie of Mission to Organize. We're going to give you all kinds of tips on how to make your rental property sparkle, starting right here in the entryway. It is the first impression after all, so you want it to be saying hello and welcome to your new guests.
Remember, first and foremost, you are providing your guests with a comfortable place to sleep. In each bedroom, make sure that you have a lamp, a nice end table. Consider adding a power strip so that they can plug in multiple devices at once. And then if you really want to go above and beyond, in each closet, it's really nice to add an extra blanket and some hangers for your guests.
Adding bunk beds to your rooms can really help increase the number of sleeping accommodations, and it can maximize space.
To go above and beyond, try adding things like cribs or playpens to really make it attractive for families.
It's always nice to have a washer and dryer when you're out on the road, but make sure that you add some laundry pods so that they can do their laundry. There are some times when you get little spills around the house, so having a few cleaning products and a broom on hand is a really good option.
Having a coffee and tea station makes your rental property feel like home. It doesn't hurt to have some tea, coffee, honey, and sweeteners on hand, and if you really want to make it shine, adding a bottle of wine is really going to help.
When I'm looking for a rental property, a barbecue grill is a must-have. However, the pool and hot tub are just an added bonus.
Make sure to add all of these things in the description of your property listing. If you have an outdoor seating area, that's a good thing to add too. You might even want to snap a few pictures.
Consider choosing a theme for your rental property. For example, beach themes and game themes are very popular.
Adding a game room like this would be a very special touch to make your rental property stand out from everybody else's.
We can't wait to see you at your rental property. Until next time.
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye! And if you really want to make sure things sparkle, deposit.
Oh my God.